today's vlog. So I finally got a vlogging camera, and probably will take me a while to figure it out because this Canon that everyone uses for vlogging is not as straightforward as I would think it would be. So today I'm going to have a very productive day, at least that's the goal. We already went shopping, so you could see some clips from that. We had lunch, now Barney went to work, so now it's the time when I have the afternoon and evening for myself. So I'm going to tidy up a little bit, do some laundry. Always, I don't know what is it, but every time I do laundry I feel super productive. So I have some laundry to do and also some work to do. I need to create posts for the Instagram I'm trying to run, and I didn't post in a while because just I don't know what it was with all those storms we had, that I just feel drained from any energy that I could possibly have. I had days off and I couldn't do anything. I had zero motivation, zero energy, so I didn't do anything. And today is my only day off this week, except Sunday. So I need to for sure create loads of posts, so then I have something to upload on the Instagram, obviously, because I'm trying to be consistent with it, because that's the key for Instagram, obviously. So this is what is the plan for today. Probably later on I need to actually go to sleep very early anyway, as I have to get up very early tomorrow, which I'm not a fan of. So yeah, I'm going to just have a really productive day. Normally I would have a nap now. Usually when Barney goes to work I have a nap, but today I said no nap. I have some coffee that is not really working on me, but I'm trying to fool myself here. Actually my friend is cooperating for once. I can't wait to chop my hair off again. So yeah, so the plan is actually to tidy up the house, but actually first I'll just do the laundry and I will start working on Instagram, maybe give the office a little clean as well, so it's, you know, have some more room. And also I need to move files from my SD card to my external drive. I need to move that because I think the SD card is going to die soon, because I already broke it today, but my computer is still reading it, so I need to move the files where I can, because I have all the photos of my trip to Paris there, so definitely need to do it now. So I'll be doing that now, and then I'll just start working on the posts, and then in the evening I'll actually tidy up, because I have some I ordered some pampas grass that I would actually like to have in the vase that I got in IKEA last weekend, so I think that will look really nice on this dining table here. So that is the plan for now, so that's what I'll do. So let's just start really. So it's already 5:30. I have no idea how it happened that it's already so late, and I haven't touched posts for Instagram, but when I opened the file I was like, my brain was like, no, you're not going to create any educational content at the moment, we're not going to cooperate. So but I still want to get something done, and I felt a little bit creative, so I played around in Canva and I created the intro that you could see at the beginning of the video, so I'm so happy about it. And also first I was doing this photo that you can see at the background photo for the channel, and I spent so long creating that just to find out that actually on the computer and on the phone you can see only the middle bit that is just the Vogue and Voyage. So I was like, oh, really? So on the antivirus you can see the whole photo that I've been working on for so long with over the photos. Never mind. So now I'm going to make myself a cup of tea, and because I already almost drank the coffee that Barney made me before he went to work. Oh, Nabu came here. No! Nabu, don't step on that box. Hang on. She wanted to jump on the cabinet here. Oh well. So she's there. I just need to keep an eye on her because there's a plant that is poisonous to cats, so yeah. So yeah, I'm going to make myself a cup of tea now, and also I think the washing machine finished washing, so I'll hang the laundry because I need that to be washed for the morning and wash and dry, obviously. So I'll do that, and then I'm going to do some Instagram for sure. I need to have that done today, so I'll feel better about it, because I know that tomorrow I'll be coming back home and I'll be tired. But tomorrow is Fat Thursday. If you don't know what it is, so in Poland we celebrate that day. I think a few other countries as well celebrate that day, but in different ways. So in Poland the tradition is that you eat donuts. We already bought some in Lidl, but tomorrow when I'll be at work, I'll ask Barney to get some more donuts from Planet Donut. Their donuts are delicious, sweet as heck, and have probably 1,000 calories, but on Fat Thursday calories doesn't count, so yeah, I'll ask him to go there tomorrow. If not, I'll just grab some after work. So yeah, so that is the plan for tomorrow. So yeah, the tradition is to eat donuts, and also some other thing that actually I don't really eat, but some people eat. It's like dough that is deep fried, basically. So it's called favorki, if anyone ever heard about it. But we're just going to get donuts. So yeah, so I can't wait. It's like one of my favorite days in the year. So that's the plan for tomorrow. But yeah, I know I'm going to be tired when I come back home tomorrow, so probably I'll just sit down and edit that vlog. So yeah, let's go and get some more stuff done. So red on my face. I don't like it, but jeez, I'm so old. Getting up from chair is difficult. So I think it's time for me to have some food. So this is what I'm going to do now. I'm just going to preheat the oven. I'll just have some ready to eat pancakes, because I've been craving them for a few days, and to be fair, I haven't had them in years, and I mean years. So let's preheat the oven. I used to use microwave for it, but we don't own a microwave because in our small kitchen that is a mess also, it needs a little tidy up, but I might not have time for it tonight. So I'll just have those pancakes. I got them in Polish shop. So just 2 pancakes with cheese. So I'll just have those. So yeah, I used to eat them when I lived in Poland. So yeah, so I used to eat them a lot, but not anymore. I'm so red. To be fair, I think it's because I got really annoyed with a phone call from work. I don't want to get into details about it. I already ranted about it to all my friends. So yeah, so I'm just going to have some food. Maybe actually in the meantime I could clean that kitchen, because I would like that to be tidy in the morning when I'm going to get up. So I might actually going to do it. So yeah, it's already like 8 p.m. I managed to finish a post on Instagram, start another one, but I need a few more ideas what else I can add to it. Seriously, I'm so red, Jesus. So done that, so at least a little bit. Maybe tomorrow when I come home I'll be able to do some more work on it. You know, I'm going to sleep on it, so but I could actually post it finally tomorrow. I'm just going to grab my phone from upstairs because I'm waiting for a phone call from my friend. So yeah, I hope I'll have a bath tonight, but I might actually not have time. So yeah, okay, let's grab the phone and let's go downstairs. I'm actually curious what's going to be the stabilization like in this camera, because I know everyone uses it for vlogging and it's actually quite smooth, and I'm using a tripod as well. So yeah, let's put you here. Give me a second. It's not going to be the best angle, but alright. So yeah, what do I need to do? Just probably unload the dishwasher and put some stuff in, because Barney did some washing up before going to work. Yeah. Also, I got those flowers today and I love them. Like, they so remind me of Wales, so I just love them. I keep saying that you can get the girl out of Wales but not the Wales out of her. So yeah, I know they like all around the country, but I think I first actually seen them, like a lot of them, in Wales, so that's why. But also I know they're a symbol of Wales, so yeah. And I think actually on the 1st of March is the let me see. Yeah, on the 1st of March there is the St. David's Day. So yeah, so right in time for it, but I don't think they're going to last until next week. But yeah, I like them. So yeah, let's quickly do a power 15 minutes and just quickly tidy up around here. So I know it can't see me and that's dirty, but my cats seem a little bit hungry, even though they have still some food in the bowl. But if you have cats, I'll show you something great. Let me grab it. So I've got something like this, like a playboard, and I've got here some snacks from Lidl. They like without ginger cut on the pack. And Lucy loves it. Neville quite likes it too, but because Lucy's being greedy, I need to give it to her somewhere and then just feed Neville a bit. So because Lucy will have 2 while Neville is having just 1, or actually I'll just throw it to Lucy so she can run around the like hallway here while Nabu is actually using the board. So this is quite good thing for cats, so they can stimulate their brain, actually, like use it. So you know, so it's like intellectual, because you know with the cats, just let me move it now. Because with cats it's just like, yeah, they need to like hunt at home, obviously, like by, so how to say it. So you know, cats are not like as wild as people think, because they are domesticated animals, but you still need to stimulate the hunt by playing with them, like with some toys. So yeah, so but also using boards like this is very good, and any toys that they need to actually think and stimulate their brain to actually get the snack out of it. So that toy is great for it. I was thinking of actually ordering one more for them, so maybe I'll do it next time when I'm ordering food for them. So I will give that to Nabu, she will have some of it, and I'll get some more for Lucy, and I'll just throw it to her so she can actually run for it. She likes she quite likes it. I'm surprised with it. Ah, who's here? They, in theory, not allowed. Oh, let me see now then. Let me show it to you. Go on, Lucy. So, go on, get it. So normally they don't go on the counter, but it's not like we're not allowed them, because honestly I don't care. We don't keep food here, so you know, and you need to wipe it down every day anyway. So yeah, and when she has the snack, she'll come here. Oh, there was one already. There you go. Oh, I dropped that. Go down. Yeah, so they can go. I don't mind, but they don't really. So except situation like this. So I'll take it to Nebu, and I'll start throwing the toy for Lucy. So give me a second, I'll try to show it to you. Actually, let's see what's going to happen, because Nebu was just having some of her food. Yeah, they eat in all the random places around the house. Nebu's being fussy. But actually, maybe they're going to cooperate and use it together. Let's see. Obviously, you can see how greedy Lucy is. But maybe Nebu will get some more snacks as well. Let's see. Go on, Nebu. Have some before Lucy have it all. Oh, you know how it works. Oh, she thinks the shadow is the snack. Oh. Yes, that's the snack. Oh, Nebu is being so slow. So this is my dinner. So just 3 pancakes. Like normally I would make pancakes because I make quite good pancakes, but I've just been craving something like that. It's like a comfort food. And some oranges. I feel like I have a headache already. And I've been trying to actually drink a lot today, so oh well. So I'll just have that, watch some YouTube, have a little chill, because then it's just shower, sleep. So yeah, let me enjoy my food. Is it just me that, you know, when I get annoyed I just turn to food and I just want to eat all the junk food? Also, when this time of the month comes, I'm like, I want to eat all the junk food. Like normally I don't need to eat meat, but at the time of the month I just want fish fingers, meat, like spaghetti bolognese, like, you know, with beans. So it's just horrible. So, and I'm like, so, you know, because I'm trying not to eat meat, but then it's just like, so I let myself, obviously, because I'm trying to do my best. Actually, hang on. So obviously I'm trying my best not to eat meat. So, but if I crave it, I'm like, okay, let's have it, because cutting down is good enough, to be fair. But I hope I'm not going to lose that fork. But kind of would like to go like fully vegetarian or even vegan, but when I think about vegan food, I'm like, I'm not even sure if I would manage Lucy, please don't eat the pampas. Okay, please. But yeah, I'm not sure if I would manage to go without milk or eggs. So yeah, let me just check my phone. So yeah, like for coffee we've switched to oat milk, and it's actually nicer than the normal milk, but I'm not sure if I would manage without like eggs. I like to have eggs from time to time, and also I couldn't go vegan for even Christmas because my parents wouldn't bother with cooking any or try even cook any vegan food for me and Barney for Christmas, because you know we celebrate traditional Polish Christmas. So yeah, so that will be difficult, even though I know that Barney kind of like to go vegan. But I'm not ready for it yet, even though it's actually going to be 2 years since I cut down on meat, and now I can't imagine going back to actually eating meat, like, you know, almost every day. So yeah, okay, I'm just going to sit down and have my food now. As you can tell, I just had a shower. The sound might be a little bit different because my camera died. But it did well actually for all day. I'm going to obviously order some spare batteries because obviously I'm going to need them. So I just had a shower, and I'm just going to go to sleep now because it's almost 11 p.m. I need to get up at 5 a.m. as I've already told you. Yes, I'm not a morning person, so yeah, so I'll just need to go to sleep now. So I've just lit up the fairy lights now on the bed and on here as well, because when I'm on my own I sleep with the lights on. I know how it sounds, like I'm an adult, even though it sounds weird, but I can't, like, when I'm on my own, I can't sleep with the lights off. I'm scared. Honestly, I'm scared. And I'm completely fine with sleeping with the light on. So I already used this one because I think I already showed you that, because I just touch it and I can just set it up. So that's quite cool as well. So I can sleep with that light on as well. But actually last night I used the fairy lights and they give enough light for me to feel safe, but they're not too bright. So then when Barney comes from work, it just turns off. So yeah, and you don't use electricity because they're battery powered. So yeah, so I'm tired, I have a headache, so it's not the best ending of this day. I thought I would do more, but I just sat down on the computer and I was doing stuff there. So actually creating that intro took me a while, so oh well. Maybe tomorrow I'll be in better mood because I'll be full of donuts. So I think I'll have a way better mood. I can't wait to have a donut for breakfast tomorrow. So I think I will feel better tomorrow. So hopefully I'll get some more stuff done, because this week I wanted to reorganize the office as well, but to be fair, I have no idea when I'm supposed to do it, because maybe on Sunday, because I'll have Sunday off, so maybe. Oh well, I just wanted to say goodbye in this video. So I'll see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this home vlog and a little bit of my reality of my life. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. If yes, please leave it a thumbs up. If you still don't subscribe my channel, you can do it now. It would mean the world to me. And I hope to see you very, very soon in the next video. Bye!